Creating walls. At this point, let's create walls around the grid lines. Navigate to the ground level and select the Wall tool from the Architecture tab. Create two walls along the grid lines O2 and O3 as shown. Now let's create more walls using the pick line method. With the wall command active, select the pick line and click on grid line B. Notice, as mentioned earlier, that the pick line functions similar to when we created the levels on grid. This method of creation by picking an existing geometry as a reference is consistent throughout Revit. In fact, we can form other wall shapes using different line shapes. Let's create more walls using the rectangular shape. Click on the rectangle tool and click once on the grid intersection and click again on the opposite intersection of the grid to complete the shape.